Okay, we have a Maytag washer. So as you can see, it's make a grating noise. So and the same time is not complete the cycle. It's keep repeat the time. And as you can see, it's totally worn out. So if you're facing with this kind of issue, and so we're going to replace this one, and we should be solved the problem. Again, if making grating noise and grinding, thank you for making me correct, grinding. So we can find a gap here, so we need to remove this part out, then we able to replace the clutch. Just like that. This come off, then so as you can see, it's totally worn. So this one need to be replaced, so we're going to do that in a minute. So this part I'm going to use this one. So I take this one from a working washer, and I can show you the difference. So you can see all around it's worn. So that's why I make middle to middle is grating noise. That was the most comment. And so this is good. And same thing, you can see this has come off from the part. Let me, yes, you can see these off, already off. This plastic is come off. So and I'm going to use this one, and so you can see, and so the way alright, so we can start with this clutch back.